Y'all feel me on this one. Just listen. Like, he just got me thinking of good old days. About like 150 deep, whole fam chilling. Just feel me on this.
Man, you should've been there, it got crazy last night. You know who and who, yeah, they always starting fights. It was all good, went left and right. Man, you should've been there, it got crazy last night. Old cuz came through, I ain't seen them in a minute. Seem like everybody here, man, I love it when we kick it. Got my cooler in my bag like I'm going to a picnic. Man, it got so crazy, I ain't know what time we finished. Don't remember the last time, but it been way too long. Another drink spilled like I'm way too gone. Turn the music up, you know this my song. Seem like when things get loud, only way I get calm. Somebody send shots, I ain't know where they was from. Thank them, then I take them, I just like to have fun. Got me talking like a pirate when I'm sipping on this rum. Go to sleep spinning, still waking up drunk. And these are type of moments that I like to live for. And these are type of moments I remember you for. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. And these are type of moments that I like to live for. And these are type of moments I remember you for. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. Every time we link, you know it's gonna be a movie. Just a couple people missing, they in jail up in juvie. Been down since way back, you don't know me if you knew me. All these wannabe gangsters, I'm just looking at them goofy. And they got something to prove, I don't got nothing to say. Rest in peace to the ones who can make it here today. Know we in this shit for life, from the cradle to the grave. And everybody ride, it ain't never gonna change. Know the fam so big, got a 500,000 cousins. And every Thanksgiving, guaranteed the food bustin'. It's a old family feud, still yet to be resolved. I don't like to pick sides, I don't like to get involved. Send my nephew to the cooler cause I need another brew. And my uncle need another one, matter of fact too. Just 10 years ago, man, these seats was all filled. But some people passing, some family don't chill. And these are type of moments that I like to live for. And these are type of moments I remember you for. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. And these are type of moments that I like to live for. And these are type of moments I remember you for. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. And these are type of moments that I pray don't end. If I could turn back time, I'd probably go visit. Relive a couple moments, if only for a minute. When the squad was deep and the family was tight. Way before the politicking and the picking up sides. But things gon' change, everybody grow up. But if you here right now, everybody pull up. Shit, we all 21 and we all grown up. Let's get this party going, everybody go nuts. Everything so I don't remember throwing hands. Fell asleep, broke, woke up with a couple grand. Whose house is this? I don't know where the hell I am. Man, it got so crazy, can't believe you missed the fams. I always miss the good ones cause I couldn't hang. Double cut shorty and I'm swerving lanes. I had a good night and I can't complain. I love these type of moments, I'm just glad I came.